Huh? What the fuck? And I still use it though. It literally just like squirted into my laptop. But anyways, so I'm gonna start with showing you guys the products first of all that I'm going to use today for our feathered eyebrow tutorial. Okay, so basically I use this to groom my eyebrows. I don't know if you can see because obviously this thing is getting, but this is what I use to clean my eyebrows. It's like a razor. Yeah. So that's basically what it looks like. It's a razor that I got from, where did I get it? I think I got it at Discount. Yeah, was this the brightness I was on? Yeah, so I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna use this, which is basically my eyebrow pencil. I'm not gonna use much of it because this is feathered eyebrow tutorial. Really doesn't need that much unless you have very fine. Just focus on the damn pencil, bro. Okay, so that's basically what it looks like. So I'm gonna use that, not too much because I do have some eyebrow hairs, so my eyebrow hairs aren't that bad, so oopsie, I'm not gonna use too much of that product. And then I'm gonna use this, which is like a lash and brow gel tonton. So this is from Essence, and that's what it's like a lash and brow gel mascara, style and comb, what. And then I'm also, sorry, I have my makeup case open here. What color is this? Yes, I'm gonna use my Eyebrow Pro concealer in the color Fawn-ish. It's almost finished, so I need to get a new one. And then I'm also gonna use this pure soap. It's like glycerine pure soap. You can get it for like 6-7 rand, I think, at Discount. But I'm gonna use this to basically achieve that feathered look. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna have a mirror here that I will be looking at. Zoom you guys in a bit. We're gonna start with brushing these up. I'll insert a clip of me like basically grooming my brows. I did shoot a video on my TikTok. I don't know if I took it to Instagram, but yeah, I think I want you guys to move a little. We'll start with brushing the hairs up, and then I'm going to take some, wait guys, I have a mic that I'm not using. Okay guys, this is where I practically messed everything up. So I connected this mic that I was looking for and I forgot to switch it on, so the rest of my video is basically like soundless, so I'll be doing a voiceover over the rest of the tutorial. At that point right there, that's when I knew that I fucked up. Okay, so basically what you see me doing there is spraying the pure soap with some setting spray to get it a bit wet, and then I'm going to rub my spoolie against the pure soap and basically set my brows. It won't move, guys. It literally will stay there as if you put like glue. So I brush them towards the direction that I want them to go, and you know, basically just create that feathered look that I was talking about earlier. So once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to take my Benefits cosmetics, precisely my brow pencil, and just fill in where I feel like I need to fill in. I'm not overdoing it though, because this is kind of like a natural look. Just remember to fill in towards the direction that your brows are going in, so that it does create those natural hair-like strokes. Now I'm taking my concealer, that's more or less my shade, and I'm going to basically just correct underneath, just to make sure that it's crisp. And I'm not using a concealer 2 shades lighter because I am going for a more natural look. And yeah, just try be as precise as possible, guys, because this is the most important step of your eyebrows. If it's not looking crisp, then it ain't it, sis. Eons later, I'm going to now basically just blend that into like my skin with a blending brush. It's angled, so it helps a lot with this step. You can use any other eyeshadow blending brush, it'll probably work just the same, but this is just me blending that into my skin. And as you can see, it is, you know, my shade. It's not a shade light or anything like that, and it looks it looks good. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and do the other side, my other eyebrow, and basically just fast forward that because I've explained most of it with this side of the eyebrow. So enjoy. And wash me over until my will